Hey, what's up you guys, I'm Envision, and in this video I'll be unboxing and setting up the Kindle Paperwhite. There's the Kindle Paperwhite. For those of you who didn't know, Amazon came out with their own brand of e-readers, and this is one of them. Now let's open up the package. All you have to do is slide off the tab at the back. I really love how the packaging doesn't have too much plastic. I think about 90% of it is made out of cardboard, which is really rare. So it comes with this cardboard sleeve that holds everything that you're gonna need. And here's the Paperwhite. It's a good size, and when you look at the screen, it literally looks like a piece of paper, which is surprising. And there's some paperwork at the back. We don't really need that, it's just general instruction stuff. And I'm surprised at how light this is, like it's really light. Now let's put the Kindle to the side for a bit and see what else is included. So I'm just checking over here, and it's just this charger. The packaging is very minimal, which I like, and this is just your standard micro USB charger. I think it's about 4 feet in length. Now it's time to set up the Paperwhite. I'm first gonna unwrap it. Now let's turn on the Kindle. You can do that by going to the bottom where the charger port is and clicking on this power button. Once you click on the button, the screen should change and display the Amazon Kindle logo. And it's pretty cool because it still looks like paper when it turns on. Now the next screen is going to ask you to select your language. Just choose your language and then click Get Started. It's going to take a couple of minutes to load to the next screen, so just be patient. Once the Kindle has finished loading, it's going to ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi. So just click the Connect to Wi-Fi button. And then just choose your Wi-Fi network. And finally enter in the password, then click Connect. The next screen is going to ask you to register your Kindle. You can do this by either creating a new account or using an existing Amazon account. I already have an Amazon account, so I'm going to choose that. So just enter in your information like your email and your password, and then click Register. Once you've signed in, just click Continue. Now it's going to ask you to install the Kindle app, which is unnecessary, so click Not Now. Then it's going to ask you if you want to start a Kindle Unlimited trial. Click No Thanks if you don't want to start the trial. You also have the option to connect your GoodReads account, but I'm going to skip. And now it's just going to tell you about navigating your Kindle. You can just go through these slides. It'll tell you the quick actions, and you can swipe on your home screen to see what additional tips they have. Now it's just populating the home page with your library and recommended books and also quick reads for you and stuff like that. I have Prime Reading, so I already have a couple books in my library. To download the books onto your Kindle, all you have to do is click on it and it'll start downloading. And if you click on it again, you can cancel the download if you like. I also noticed if you want to click on a button, you have to press down on it for a couple seconds. I'll be coming out with a Kindle Paperwhite review soon, so make sure you subscribe for that. That's all for the video. If you liked it or found it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Also, leave a comment down below if you have any questions or video ideas. And if you want to purchase a Kindle Paperwhite, click the link in my description to get the best price. Thanks for watching.